Assalamu alaikum viewers, with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, in this video you can learn how to create a painting from a picture. So let's start. First of all, import your picture and remove background. Go to refine edge and drop down to shift edge, change feather value and smooth. Select output to new layer. Okay. Now create a duplicate and change levels. Now go to filter and go to sharpen and select unsharp mask and change the radius set to 9 and set amount to about 150. Okay, now create a duplicate and go to filter, others and high pass. Select radius amount to 1.5 and change the blending mode to soft light and now merge these both layers. Now select smooth tool and select brush. Uh, you can download all these brush. I will give the download link in description. And select the brush this. Okay, now zoom the picture and use this brush and set the strength to 20. Okay, now change the brush and select this brush and change the strength to 70 or 75. Okay, now create a duplicate, new layer, empty, and select this picture area, all. Okay, now select empty layer and select brush tool, select color and select brush this and change the feather to 20 and apply this brush on this and now change the blending mode to soft light and decrease the opacity to 70. Okay, now select picture layer and select this area, set the feather to 10, create duplicate and change hue. Okay, now select picture layer again and select this area, set the feather, create duplicate, change hue and change the blending mode to soft light, or you can also decrease the opacity. Okay, now create one more empty layer and select brush tool, select the hard brush and decrease the size, change color and select from here and decrease the opacity to 60. Okay, now decrease the opacity to 20, or okay, now import your background footage. Okay, now select this footage layer and select this area and set the feather to 20, create a duplicate layer. Now change the hue and raise, use raising tool. Okay, now go to filter and sharpen, unsharp mask and change the blending mode to soft light. Okay guys, so it was today's video, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.